Today I'm really excited to be on the TORNOS stand at AMB for another world premiere, the TORNOS SwissNano 10.
Yes.
Brice, what a machine. This is the perfect size for somebody like me. Give me an overview of this new technology.
Well, the SwissNano 10 is the latest evolution of the SwissNano family. We started with the 4, we moved to the 7, and now we have this SwissNano 10 for 10mm bar, so the machine can manufacture up to 10mm bar, any kind of material. It's high pressure ready. We have, compared to the 7, we have much more coolant. We have the possibility to integrate a chip conveyor within the footprint of the machine, so the chip conveyor go below the bar feeder. That's quite a thing with this machine. The footprint has really been optimized, so with the bar loader and the machine, you can, on 80 square meter, you can put up to 10 machine.
Well, the footprint really stands out for me, but also the accessibility, you know, getting into the machine to set the machine. How many axes does this machine have? And what is the longest bar capacity?
So basically the accessibility here is key. It's one of the strong points of the SwissNano. You have 180-degree accessibility. You can stand in front of your spindle, you can stand in front of your counter spindle, and you do your setup basically like any other machine. The max length of the part is 100mm, which is pretty long for a 10mm machine. And yeah, basically the machine is able to have up to 8 tools in counter operation. You don't see it on this machine, but it's brand new. We can have up to 4 live tools in counter operation on those 8 tools. And this is available also for the SwissNano 7 user. If some want to increase their tool number in counter operation, we can do that now with this new option. So it's a machine that is really capable.
I want to touch upon the milling features, but before I do so, you mentioned it can cut any material. How is the rigidity and the stability achieved from such a little machine to be able to cut any material?
Well, we have that's the key in the SwissNano's family. We have a small casting BI, and despite its small size, it's very rigid, and it's the key of the SwissNano family. The key, because the SwissNano family is built around an incredible stability in production. The fact that this casting is very rigid gives you a lot of tool life, much more than any other machine. We talk about 30 to 40% more, and it's really symmetrical, and therefore the thermal management is made via this casting that sits on 3 points on the machine.
So this is quite a new, innovative design for this particular size machine.
Exactly, yeah. That's we started with the 4, we bring it to the 7mm, and now we start with the 10. And also the power of the spindle is just adequate for the material we will machine. We can manufacture any type of material. We have done cobalt chrome with this machine. We have made titanium. We have made the hardest stainless steel. It's just work basically.
So it's not just a turning machine either, is it? You can mill parts too. Can you tell me about the milling capability and the different tool options that are available?
Yeah, you can have, as said, up to 4 live tools in counter operation, and in total up to 8 tools in counter operation. You can place 3 live tools under the counter spindle. That's also new. That's a novelty. You can have up to 3 tools on the main gang. So always live tools. You can do quite a lot, and of course you can have special operation on it. You can do thread wiring. You can do gear robbing in main and counter operation. You can do polygon milling in main and counter operation. You can do slotting. You can do whatever you want basically with this small machine.
And with such a small bar, what automation options do you have for it? What's the kind of longest bar feeder you could use on such a small machine and bar diameter?
Well, we have a maximum bar diameter of 10mm, and we have several options for the bar loader. We do the automation via the bar loader. We work usually with LNS, but also with IMK. They both provide very excellent solution actually for small diameter. And yeah, we can actually manufacture part of 100mm long and eject them safely outside of the machine without compromising the surface finish of the part, which is, by the way, also excellent thanks to the rigidity of the casting.
Now, this machine, obviously, with that kind of capability, can run for 24 hours a day.
Yeah.
What about chip breaking, you know, to kind of eliminate any kind of swarf build-up or nesting?
Yeah, we have several options over there. We have the ACB, we have the ACB Plus, which is our chip breaking software that does excellent result. It's available because we do have the latest FANUC controller on the machine. We can have a chip conveyor also on this machine, very nicely integrated. That helps really to manage the chip. And of course we have the classic card, I would say. We have the high pressure pump that are available on this machine up to 120 bar. That's something quite unique for this size of machine. So for the chips we will manage them.
So it comes equipped with all the latest technologies with the SwissNano 10.
Yeah.
Brice, thank you very much for your
You're
time.
welcome. You're very welcome.
Another world premiere at AMB with TORNOS. Thank you.
And a very small one, but a great one.
Good
Thank
things
you.
come in small packages.
Exactly. You see. Thank you.